What's up, you guys? So, today we're going to be talking about your writing project number one. And writing project number one for ESL 642 is basically a project where you have to write one paragraph. Now, this paragraph will have one topic sentence, it will have 6 or more supporting sentences, and it will have one concluding sentence. So in total, you will have a minimum of 8 sentences. So let's get into the topic today. Today's topic, or this project's topic, is what is one belief that you have that you learned from your parents or your role models? For example, maybe you believe that family comes first. Maybe you believe that you always have to work hard, or you have to be fair with everyone, and so forth, and that's something that you learned from your parents or your role model, and you still use that today. So what I want you to talk about really is what is something that means a lot to you and you've used it a lot in your adult life. When you faced problems, you always went back and says, okay, family comes first. Or you say, I always have to work hard. Yes, this is hard, but I have to work really hard. And give us examples, right? So that's that. How are we structuring those 8 sentences? Now, those 8 sentences, you have the introduction sentence or the topic sentence, and that's the beginning of your paragraph. That's when you tell us what you believe in. For example, you can say, I believe that working hard is a really good thing. Or I learned from my parents, or I learned from my role model, or this is my belief. So this is kind of the idea of the topic sentence. Then you have the supporting sentences, which should be at least 6 sentences. And these explain what you believe in and why you believe it. So you got to give us examples, maybe, situations, how you've learned it, where you've learned it, how it's helped you. And again, you want to give examples and you want to give explanations. And lastly, we have the concluding sentence, and that kind of just gives us a good summary of what the sentence is about, or what the paragraph is about, right? Not the sentence, but the paragraph. Okay, so that's that. And then we have grading. So how is this going to be graded? You get 2 points for turning this assignment on time. You get 4 points for following the structure that we talked about, and 4 points for grammar. Now, grammar is what we covered in this unit. You don't have to worry about anything else. So if there are little to no errors in the grammar topics that we've covered, then you have the full points and you don't have to worry about anything. All right, so the total of these points is 10 points. Cool, so this is our example. You have your name over here, and, you guys. You have your name, you have your ESL class, you have the date of the project, so when it's due, and you have writing project number 1. All right, and this is our example. I believe in spending time with children. When people spend time with children, the children get a higher self-esteem. They learn that they are valuable, and they learn that an adult cares about them. They also learn life lessons because the adult can share their story with them. This will make the child smarter later. They will also be smarter than kids who don't have adult role models in their lives. And spending time with children is also good for the adult. They get to stop being stressed, and they can learn to see the world in a more simple way. It is a good thing for every person, every child, and the whole community. So that's our example. You see over here we have the topic sentence, then we have the supporting sentences all the way through, and then we have the concluding sentence that kind of restate the topic sentence that we are talking about. So that's that for this assignment. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, to email me, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions.